a good update from Austin Forkner, who didn't make the main, or at least make the night show after crashing in the last qualifying session. He chose to play it safe, at least took the trip to the hospital and had everything checked out. And you gotta say, with his history of injuries, that's probably the smart thing to do, especially when you have pain in your back and, like you said, towards the kidney area. His full post or update post Instagram is going to be at the end of this video if you want to see everything he says. You gotta say, for him, good. I mean, this is a 6-round run on a 450 that doesn't really matter, so there's no point in forcing yourself to run when you're hurt. I mean, he's going to be racing the 250 on the East. This is kind of just for fun, let's see where he falls kind of thing. So to take the precaution and go get checked out, especially when you're, sore like that and somebody says, no, that's kind of around your kidneys, that's probably a smart thing to do. Take the week off, we'll take the night off, get ready for A2, come back and just kind of get racing into it. I mean, like I said, with his history of being hurt every single year, it's probably smart to be on the safe side of things, I guess you could say. And it really doesn't matter. Like, he's racing 6 rounds in the 450s. He's not in this championship. There's no point to, push it and possibly be hurt and race and then hurt yourself worse. Just do this as a conditioning, kind of see where you fall. Maybe for next year, race the 450s and then get ready for the 250E side of things. But I don't know, you guys tell me down in the comments below. Did you like San Diego? What'd you think of Hayden Deegan's pass? What do you think of Max Anstey's interview after said pass? The fun Tomac, Roxon, Hunter 3-way battle up front. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.
Hey guys, been having a bunch of people message me, asking if I'm okay. Just figured I'd post a quick update. I am okay, but I'm not racing tonight. I crashed in the last qualifying session and kind of got thrown off the bike, but I downsided like one of the rhythm jumps perfectly with my body. So I was like, oh, I'm good. And then bam, the bike drilled me in the back. And at first I thought maybe I broke some ribs or something. But then when I got back to the medic rig where I was showing them where it hurt, they were like, that's right around your kidney area. So they thought it was a good idea. I was hurting a decent amount too, and they thought it was a good idea for me to go to the hospital and get it checked out. Turns out I'm okay. They said everything looked okay, but probably not smart to race tonight. I'm real stiff, I'm real sore, but okay. So probably just gonna hang around in California this week, get some work done on it, and should be good for A2. So